In the words of the iconic Timeout. I need to look up the name of the band.
No.
What's the name of the band that sings Here I Go Again on My Own?
Probably Journey.
No?
No?
It's not Journey. Where's your
Although, you know you can get like copyrighted or something if you
Where's
even
your phone?
sing any of their stuff. You know that, right?
Where's your phone at?
Then they'll take money from you.
Can you...
Telling you, if you sing any part of their song,
No.
they can do copyright. I just saw it happen.
They're going to take money from me?
Yes, I'm telling you, they do that. That's what happened to the girl I was following this morning. I was watching this morning, the makeup girl. And it literally turned into her most viral video. It happened to have 3 seconds of a song that she sang in it, and now all of her money
She
goes
sang
to
it?
Yes.
Welcome back to Project Wrong Way. And in the words of a band similar to the name of White Serpent, trying to avoid copyright issues, here I go again on my own. We've got the engine installed, feeling pretty good about that.
Go away.
My confidence is actually sky high at that point. Now it's going back down towards idiot level where it needs to be. A couple things that I've been up to. One.
Did you?
What?
No, you didn't.
Did I what?
Did you sandblast that?
Yeah, I did.
Let's see it.
I'm glad you asked. Yeah, I did. I sandblasted the shit out of this. Look at the...
Ooh, and that's all the yucky
You
bits,
see
right?
down in there?
Yucky.
See how pitted it is?
You're pitted.
This is the thermostat housing from my 1F engine. I was going to use it on the 2F, but I sandblasted it hard. I effed it. So now I had to find a new thermostat housing that wasn't so deteriorated. My buddy Dan Martz, I found him on Facebook. He's my Facebook friend. I just want to give a quick shout out to him and his smoke show of a wife, the redheaded woman whose name I don't know. We'll just call her Ariel.
That's not
Dan
okay.
married the Little Mermaid, pretty much.
There you go.
The grown-up version. Dan freaking hit me up, and he's like, hey, bro, I got these parts for you. They're coming. So thank you, Dan. Thanks to your smoke show of a wife as well. Now she's super famous because she's on YouTube.
So did he send you that box? Or
No.
Are you gonna show? Are you gonna show the nice one?
No, I haven't got it yet. Also,
Are you gonna talk about your shirt?
yeah, that's fine. If you just shut up for 5 seconds. I'm sure you guys can't help but notice this super sweet shirt that I'm wearing. Well, I made a new friend on Instagram. His name's Cameron Mosley. He's the owner of Mosley Motors. And they sell some pretty cool stuff. And one of the things they sell, I was able to purchase. Everything's gotta be difficult. Boom!
What is that?
That's the Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection kit.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
That is one of the Christmas presents I got for myself.
I got it for him, actually.
Rachel doesn't make any money, but what she does do, Rachel approves purchases. So like I'll go out and say, hey, I want to buy this, it's really expensive. And normally she would say no, because she's smart with money. But around Christmas time, she says yes, because it's like a Christmas present for me. Oh man, this is so cool.
So do you know how to put that on?
No, I don't. Just a couple wires, I'm sure these plug into stuff. Here, check this out.
You know, it kind of looks like an old-timey like film thing.
Get that opening
What,
up.
in the opening? Oh, it's like eyeballs.
Cameron at Mosley Motors on Instagram, link, he makes a kit. And he sells this kit. And after a lot of people recommended him, I sought him out, purchased it. And yeah, so this is gonna be my fuel injection system. So if you guys are looking for somebody who's a big supporter of the Landcruiser world, check out Mosley Motors on Instagram. Cameron, dude's a wealth of knowledge. Nolan Grogan, the patina guy. He's the guy that patinas everything. Nolan likes Cameron too. A lot of people like Cameron. I like Cameron.
He also sent you a shirt.
He did send me the shirt. So
Sent me a shirt too.
sent Rachel a shirt.
It's very soft, high quality
Told
fabric.
him to expect a huge influx of business. So
Just you.
probably just me. The reason I'm doing the water pump or the thermostat housing is because I'm going to cut out not cut it out, but I'm trying to simplify the engine as much as I can. Come on over here, Rachel. You see that?
The wires?
This thing.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, this assembly, it's the oil cooler. And I'm gonna just take this off because I don't want it.
What will keep your oil cool if you don't have an oil cooler?
You know, I don't think I need it.
No?
No.
Is that an aftermarket part something you put on there?
No, this one, it came with it.
So then wouldn't you think it would be necessary?
No. I'm going to take it off. Like I said, the stuff I'm doing right now is simplifying the system. So I talked with George Ester. You might know him as the owner of Valley Hybrids. No big deal. He's kind of a friend. He's a close friend. If he needs something, he calls me up, questions, stuff like that. He bounces ideas off of me. He was up the other day. I gave him the water pump that I had here. He's going to block that off down at his shop, Valley Hybrids, and it's going to get sent back up. So yeah, I'm doing all that just to simplify this engine as much as I can. So today we're going to take off this thing, and then I'm going to redo...
What is that thing?
That's just pipe, I guess, hose, this stuff. And I can't take off all this yet because I have to drain the oil out, but I can talk about that later. Come on over here. We're on the path of coolant. No, let's restart this. Winter is upon us. No, that's downtail. I don't like the way that's going. The system I'm working on right now is the cooling system of the Landcruiser. The fan shroud is for the 1F, and I needed to get a 2F fan shroud.
For goodness sake.
What?
You're just up, down, up, down.
All right, so take these guys out. I've been losing a lot of parts.
Oh, yeah?
So normally, I would just bolt up the different shroud. But I also have the new rate.
Words.
I have the radiator. I'm pointing at it. I need you to look over there. Jeez. I have this radiator. That was from the engine as well. I'm gonna thread these back in so I don't lose them.
So you've got to slide that radiator out of that frame, put the new one in, and then put the new circle-y opening thing on.
Shit.
Yeah.
I guess I can't put this in there because I have to lift the radiator.
Why didn't you put them in a baggie and label what they are?
I don't have a bag like in my hand. That was incredibly easy. Ooh, it's a little rusty though. You know what that means?
Sandblast.
Actually, this won't fit in my sandblaster, so I'm gonna have to sand it by hand. Hand sand. Hand sanitizer. Don't get me breathing really hard. People think I'm fat.
You're always breathing hard on this show.
Yeah, well, it's because I move around a lot, you know, because I'm not prepared.
You get nervous and you hyperventilate. Why don't you go grab that table so that you're not using a trash can?
It's okay.
Now, why do you need to take that part off?
Huh?
Why do you need to take that off?
The little horns? I just don't need them right now. And I'm gonna...
It just seems like if you don't need to take them off, it's more likely to get lost, so why take them off? No.
There's no way, huh? Oh, shit. Did you see where that went?
Nope.
Oh, man.
What was it?
Just a bolt. Kind of need it, but... Yeah, it probably wasn't a good idea to do this directly over a garbage can. Wow, that just ran. Like it fell in the garbage and ran away. Worst case, oh, I found it. All right, so I gotta get these guys off. Old fire hose.
Why would that be on there?
It's like a buffer between metal.
Why don't you just put it in the trash?
Because I might have to reuse them. I don't know if they make these.
Why is it so covered in yellow? Is that just rust?
No, that's the radiator fluid, which it ejaculated everywhere. When it overheats, it just blah, 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 blah.
Your mustache is a reminder?
Yeah, you know how, like, the last thing you ate?
Oh, gosh.
Huh? What?
Burrito bandito, then?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, man, that's amazing.
Yeah, it is. This
Ooh.
little guy works pretty good.
Oh, it's so amazing.
We're gonna let the big dog eat, though. Look out.
Oh, gosh.
Shit. I don't want to hit the things. because I don't want to screw the threads up.
I don't like having that trash in the background. It's not very classy.
It'd be easier is just to buy a bigger sandblasting cabinet. Oh, that's pretty hot. Okay.
You gonna try to get the underside?
What, this side?
That side.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough. Do you feel like that's getting in your lungs anyway?
I think that.
Oh gosh, I hurt my back doing that. It seems foggy in here. Is that this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was hoping that.
That way, the next time you work out in here, you get lung poisoning or something.
Honey, it's called cancer.
We could always just move it outside.
This inside track, that's where I'm going to use this little bad boy.
Can we move it outside?
No, it's cold out there.
It's not that cold.
It's not, no, I don't want to put it outside.
And now, look how foggy it is. This is going to be really bad for us.
Honey, we have masks on. It's okay.
No, but once we take them off, it's still all, it's not settled.
The inside track of this device, or this mechanism,
Frame.
the inside track's gonna be a little tough to get to. It's a big dog, so I'm gonna let the little dog eat. So, see, I did. It's in my eyes, you know. We can open the door, maybe get a little ventilation.
Why don't you just migrate out? It's not that cold.
Give me a second. I want to open up the door.
No, that's not going to help.
Yeah,
it's all
it's
going
like
back.
air.
It's all going back to. Just take it outside.
No, the air. Look.
Just take it outside. It's not doing anything. It's all going back to the right. That way.
All right, let's do everything you want to do.
Thank you.
I'm not wearing a mask out here.
Yeah, you are.
All right. Hey, get me wearing a Mosley shirt, holding tools. You got it? Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Kind of a fabricator.
Yeah.
It's my calling.
Gifted.
I started out small, just like you guys. Didn't know what I was doing. Should I just do it all like metal looking? Not paint it black?
Sure.
Yeah, it sounds like you're pretty invested in the build there, honey.
Super invested.
If I was in the shop, that wouldn't have fallen on the ground out here.
That's because you didn't have the surface to even set it on, because that was a trash can you were using.
You're a trash can. I'm just trying not to lose the hardware. I've been doing that. What are you thinking, honey? What's going through your brain? People care about what you think on the show.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Their wives do.
I was just zoning out, honestly.
It's code for not giving a shit. I'm really liking the progress I've made, even in the short amount of time.
It's pretty impressive, honey.
Thanks, Rachel.
Every time I speak, you go back to
What?
just going like that.
Is there a name? Is there a name for it?
Just cutting me off or something? I don't know.
No, it's
What are you doing right now? Sanding?
sanding. Yeah. What? What's wrong with your face? You okay? I can get all the flat surfaces. See that? Did you
No.
see what I did?
No.
Killed a spider with my bare hands.
It was out of frame.
So nobody's gonna believe that.
Yeah, basically.
I can get all the flat, easy to access surfaces first, but I'm gonna have to get in, you know, and the hard to reach surfaces too at some point. There, see? So once I get it all painted, I can put, man, this is still foggy in here.
In fact, I know. That's why I'm saying opening the door wasn't enough.
Is there any dirt around my face?
Kinda.
What?
Your nose.
Just the nose.
Sides of your nose look pretty black.
Fortunately, I had this ProWorks mask from Adena Auto. I could see the let's take some hoses off too. Can you get Tecton?
I don't know.
I'll give a shout out to
fence,
Tecton.
The
Here.
fence is actually really pretty.
What fence?
Right there, the green on the fence.
No, I want the tools.
It's really pretty.
Tools. You freaking snowflake. Get the tools. Tecton. You see it?
Do you want just the tools or you?
Maybe just the tools. Get in there. Got it? I should have worn gloves.
Tecton.
You're such a jerk. Treat me like an
I'm
idiot.
not. You're the one being mean.
Not being mean. You're being real, honey.
You're so mean.
Again, I'm removing...
Hoses. He doesn't even know what they do.
Oh, they cool the oil a little bit. It's the oil cooler.
Why does the oil need to be cool?
Oh, it's all one bracket. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get down and reach that one?
I don't know. Do you want me to do it?
No.
I'm so bored.
I need a 10. A 10! Oh, yeah. Tell you what, fellas, and women's, and Asians.
What is wrong with you?
No, I just mean everybody. Like, I'm talking to everybody.
But why would Asians not be included in women and men?
Well, I don't know. Or, I don't know.
I think you should stop.
Man, I should have put gloves on. That was one thing I learned from George, or George kind of learned it from me too, I guess. Shit!
What's all that, honey?
Well, that is dog Kool-Aid. Here, let me get a...
Antifreeze?
Yep. Apparently.
Nice.
Still a little bit left in the engine. Whoopsie daisies. Just picked a bushel. Sorry. Whoopsie daisies. I'm gonna just drain that out.
Wouldn't be you if there wasn't poison everywhere.
Okay, I'm putting the nuts back on. No big deal. Just
applying nuts.
I noticed a lot of people picked up on your innuendos after I started.
Mine are more subtle than yours. You're just straight up saying things. Well,
Yeah.
You have to really think about mine.
Yeah, your innuendos involve a lot of thought. Like applying your nuts right now? Like, what does she mean by that?
Well, you can't really take them on and off, so it doesn't really directly equal...
We really don't need them anymore. We don't need mine.
You still need nuts to get...
Yes.
So then, yeah, we do need
Wait,
them.
nuts to do what? To get there? Oh, to get...
To stand at attention.
To get vertical? Do you need testicles to do
I
that?
think you do.
It wouldn't be the same without them. So let me just back up and walk everybody through again what I'm doing here. What are you laughing about?
You're stumped because some fluid fell out?
I'm not stumped, honey, okay? This doesn't stump me.
Look, 'cause now you want to call it quits for the day.
No, I don't want to call it quits.
Yeah, you do. You don't need to walk them through it again.
Okay, fine. You know what?
Just keep going. If you're not stumped, then keep going. Let's see it. What happens
Fine.
next?
I'll do whatever the hell I want. I don't need instructions are for stupid idiots. I'm going to take this hose off because I don't need it anymore. Did I mention Dan's smoking hot wife, the redhead, already?
Hey, we already did that once.
Oh, yeah.
I accept one mention. You don't need to keep saying it.
I'm just saying.
I know that you've got that face on because it's frustrating that they make that sound, but I literally have that to hear all day.
Did you let the frog go? Yeah. Winnie is dying because she didn't get...
She wanted to let it go. Because her siblings don't share.
Okay. Hey, Penny! You best let both of you back in the house right now. I'm going to take all your Christmas presents back. I'm going to take both of your Christmas presents back. I'm going to return them all.
That's not true.
No, it's not.
But
It's an idle threat.
they know it. Deep
Do they?
down,
I
deep
know,
down,
they
they
know
know
they're
it.
That doesn't even work. I'm going to take your Christmas presents away. Like, sure you are, Dad. Yeah, you want that kind of mess on Christmas morning, huh? Just once, though, I'd like to be like, ha-ha. They come out, and it's just Boston opens his presents, Penny and Winnie just looking. So I'm going to take off this whole mechanism right here and just put on a newer one. George Esterer has one that we're going to put in place of this one. So I'm going to take off all that crap that's there. We took the coolant hoses off. I explained my thought process, put my brain in here.
Spill it everywhere.
Hi. All right, so we got the coolant hoses, some taken off, and I've explained to you what my plan is with the housing. Now I have to have a 2F shroud, which I'm doing all that. You're seeing that. Got the Mosley Sniper EFI. That was pretty expensive, but I'm super excited about it. But thanks again for watching Project Wrong Way. We're at like 2,313 subscribers. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Grateful for each and every one of you. Keep up with your good builds. Again, I mentioned Dan and his smoking hot redhead, right?
That's 3 times, yeah.
3 times.
3 times. I'm gonna have to go see what you're talking about.
I'll show you a picture of her.
All right.
I Facebook stalked Dan, and I saw pictures of his hot wife.
Stop.
No, I'm just saying.
She's
that's how I
not
found
gonna
out.
love this.
She's gonna love it.
Wait,
She's
I
a
thought
big
you
fan
said
of the
that
show.
he said.
Yeah, but he was like, my wife likes your show too.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Anyway, thanks you guys. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. More progress to come. We got the sniper kit from Mosley Motors. Mosey on down to Mosley's Motors. Get something from Cameron. He's a good guy.
Where is his shop located?
In the Middle East somewhere.
No, it's not.